For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Close your eyes as we begin to take a journey through the body, starting with that beautiful mind of yours. All the things that are in your mind, let's release them as we move in this journey. Take a deep breath as we are now traveling to the shoulders, the roundness, the softness of your shoulders. Take a breath and relax your shoulders. Begin to roll your shoulders as if someone was giving you an invisible massage. Release the tension. Your beautiful fullness of the breasts, the tenderness of the breasts, that special, intimate part of you. You love your shoulders. You love your breasts. Take a minute as we journey now to the navel. Put your hand over your navel and make a circular motion. Breathe as you are massaging the navel. It's powerful. It is your connection to another human being into this world. Your navel. Just rub that and touch it, and the power of it. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Now we're going from the navel to the roundness of your hips that move and gyrate the cradle of love as the hips encase the reproductive area. This is the area. It's powerful. Life comes through this area. Begin to move your hips slightly. Just slightly around. Knowing there's power. Knowing there's sensation and sensuality in your honey pot. Just relax. Joy. Envision the love that's coming to you. Just relax your hips. Just relax. Now take your hands and place them gently on your thighs. At the top of your hip area, and slowly stroke your thighs gently with the touch of a feather, simply gently, so you can feel the sensation in your touch. Your right hand first on your right thigh. Slowly and gently. Take your left hand and stroke your thigh. Slowly and gently. Just the power of your touch. Now take both hands and slowly glide down. Come back slowly. Slowly glide down. Feel the sensation, the gentleness, the touch, the intimacy, and the power of your touch, loving who you are. And whenever you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, breathe in. You are now renewed. As you breathe out, you're now revived, and you are now refreshed.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mindvalley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mindvalley app to get started.